Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to change background color in CapCut. So there is a quick guide. Just tap on that CapCut application, and right over the first of all we will just right slide, and the second last option is the aspect ratio. So first of all we will just tap on it, and if you want to just size of 9 by 16, 1 by 1, 16 by 9, or 4 by 3. So if I want to just choose this 9 by 16, and I will just select it, and we will just tap on it, this background option in the last. Just tap, and you will just have to change the color, and right over here there are many colors like orange, red, purple, or blue. Or you will just have to just select the blur option also, which is very unique. You will just have to light blur, medium, and the full of blur. So in this way you will just have to change the color of your background in CapCut. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.